Looks like half of the squad is here. What's on you? Don't worry. What is on your face and head? In this fight, it was over money and smiling critters and rainbow friends are in there, and I got shot and head 3 times and back like 40 times. Yeah, and why are you wet? And why are you wet? Because Bonnie pushed me in the pool. It was just 10 feet high. How long is that? That's not long. Like, that's not long. Yeah, you need to go back to 2nd grade, actually. You need to go back to like 3rd or 4th or 5th or 6th or 7th or 8th. You forgot about 9th. You're going to 9th. It's just soaking wet. Oh, I remember back then. And don't worry. Don't worry why we're wearing Christmas clothes. Yeah, for real. Why are you wearing Christmas clothes? I told you don't worry, but because it's Christmas, but March and summer, because something's going to happen to that pillow you're laying on. If water gets in it, oh crap, I'm filling water. It will explode. Like, explode. We got worm people, okay? Go in messages on your phone and, text people that you know, okay? And send a warning, okay? Let me get my phone. I'm gonna go in my room. Just teleport to Smiling Critters and Rainbow Friends, okay? Okay, I'm gonna get my phone. Bye. Yeah, God, my goodness. There we go. Oh, where am I? Wait, why does Smiling Critters building look like ours? Oh, because we live together and we're going to declare war here. Because, like, one side of it is there's a little circus, and then Smiling Critters and Rainbow Friends. I wonder what's Blue at. He likes me because I'm blue, like, kind of scions and pale or something. Yeah. But they come in a second. You again. Why are you doing our city? You supposed to get out of here. We're gonna declare war. No, not declare. But this pillow that I brought is gonna explode soon, and you might die. But we're gonna declare war with you in 2100. Yeah, so you better be ready, cause we're gonna have the pillow. You're never gonna find it, and try to find me, cause I got catnapped. And where are these other Smiling Critters? Where are they? They're on a trip. They went to Disneyland, but Catnap's still here. He drove them, and then he came back. So, try to fight me, test me one bit, and Catnap will kill you. I'm declaring, or Dog Day. You rude man. Now it's time to go to Rainbow Friends. Boom! Okay, don't worry about it. Why do I keep teleporting up on the roof? What the frick? Oh, it looks like nobody here, so I can put the explosive pillow here. Let's do it. Ah! Ow, 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 ow. Oh, get up from me. Okay, we got it. Put it right there. Do you think it's a normal pillow? But it's actually a explosive pillow from World 3. Come back. Teleport kinesis. Wait, why are the pillows here? Wait, is it everywhere actually? I think they were there, Granny. Let's go. Oh, I only have 5 people to text, and they was offline. What the frick? Yeah, we had to text each other too. We're back. There was a lot of people, like 100. How you could do 100 like in 1 minute? I don't know. I'm back. I texted my girlfriend. You got a girlfriend? Yeah, duh. I went into a Bonnie's here. I never saw him like a long time. Like, I think he's dead. Finally. Like, he's annoying. For real. Let's go, Eric. I got it. Okay, looks like everybody here. Wait. Let me see how much time we got on the pillow. Let me open the thing. Guys, we got 50 years. I mean, 1 more year, and then it's going to declare war. Oh no. We better get out of here fast. But we don't have just much money to buy a new place or pizzeria, because we gotta go somewhere in Asia, because we don't go in South America or North America, because there's gonna be a lot of explosives. It's gonna go to South America and North America. Dang. So we better go to Asia or Australia. I don't want to go to Australia. For real, like, they got those koala bears that can drop on the ground. Wait, what is it? Wait, how did it go to 1 sec? Wait, what the